Now, if the impact is in KZN, it reflects something different. It reflects Zulu tribalism. And I don't think we should actually lock ourselves into Zulu tribalism. Tribalism is a backward form of politics. It is having its time frame, it disappears. So if that is the factor, I'm not worried about it. I don't know. I'm not talking coalitions now. I'm watching results. Results will determine whether we need a coalition or not.
But you're not ruling that out, Mr. Mantashe.
No, I'm saying we are watching the results. Let's watch the result. Let's see the outcome. The outcome, we want outright majority. Okay, that is what we want.
But you're not ruling out talking to Mr. Zuma.
We want outright majority. Coalitions are a consequence. You don't plan for consequences. Okay. Now you want me to plan for consequences? Yeah. The problem here, you want to bring Zulu nationalist pro-politics into media conference. Don't do that.